Email marketing for small businesses, building brands, nurturing leads, and attracting customers. In today's digital age, email remains one of the most effective tools for small businesses to connect with their audience. It offers a direct line of communication to potential and existing customers, allowing businesses to build their brand, nurture leads, and drive sales. If you're a small business owner looking to harness the power of email marketing, here are some top tips to get you started. 1. Start with a clear goal in mind. Before you send out any emails, define what you want to achieve. Whether it's increasing website traffic, promoting a new product, or simply building brand awareness, having a clear goal will guide your strategy and content. 2. Segment your list. Not all subscribers are the same. Segmenting your email list allows you to send targeted messages that resonate with specific groups. For instance, you might have different content for new subscribers versus loyal customers. 3. Craft compelling subject lines. The subject line is the first thing your recipient sees. Make it catchy, relevant, and intriguing enough to encourage opens. A/B testing can help you determine which subject lines work best for your audience. 4. Provide value. Ensure that every email you send offers value to the recipient. This could be in the form of informative content, exclusive deals, or updates about your business. Avoid sending emails just for the sake of it. 5. Optimize for mobile. With a significant number of users checking emails on mobile devices, ensure your emails are mobile-friendly. This means using responsive design and ensuring that images and text display correctly on smaller screens. 6. Personalize your emails. Personalization can significantly increase engagement rates. Use your subscriber's name, recommend products based on their browsing history, or send birthday wishes. These small touches can make a big difference. 7. Include a clear call to action, CTA. Every email should have a clear and compelling CTA. Whether you want readers to visit your website, make a purchase, or follow you on social media, make sure it's obvious what you want them to do. 8. Monitor and adjust. Use analytics tools to track open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. This data will give you insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to adjust your strategy accordingly. 9. Nurture leads with drip campaigns. Drip campaigns are a series of automated emails sent out at specific intervals. They're great for onboarding new subscribers, educating potential customers about your products, or re-engaging dormant subscribers. 10. Stay compliant. Familiarize yourself with regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the CAN-SPAM Act. Ensure you have permission to email your subscribers and always include an easy way for them to unsubscribe. 11. Encourage referrals. Word of mouth is powerful. Encourage your loyal customers to refer friends and family by offering incentives or exclusive deals. 12. Build a community. Beyond just selling, use email marketing to build a community around your brand. Share stories, spotlight customers, or provide behind-the-scenes looks into your business. In conclusion, email marketing, when done right, can be a game-changer for small businesses. It's cost-effective, personal, and offers direct access to your audience. By implementing these tips, you'll be well on your way to building a strong brand, nurturing leads, and bringing in new customers.